Welcome back to Car Look. Today, the 2026 Cadillac Fleetwood Brougham. While Cadillac hasn't officially confirmed this model yet, industry insiders and concept renderings suggest we might see the return of this legendary nameplate. Let's explore what this modern interpretation of a classic could bring to the luxury sedan market. The Fleetwood Brougham name carries serious weight in automotive history. Originally produced from 1977 to 1986, and later continuing as simply Brougham until 1992, this was Cadillac's flagship luxury sedan. The name represented the pinnacle of American luxury, and its potential return in 2026 would mark over 3 decades since the last one rolled off the production line. If the rumors prove true, the 2026 Fleetwood Brougham would showcase Cadillac's contemporary design language while paying homage to its prestigious heritage. Expect to see the brand's signature vertical LED lighting elements integrated into a bold, commanding front fascia. The exterior would likely feature clean, sophisticated lines that emphasize length and presence, 2 hallmarks of the original Fleetwood. Chrome accents and distinctive wheel designs would differentiate it from Cadillac's current sedan offerings, creating a more formal, stately appearance befitting the Fleetwood legacy. The proportions would be substantial, as befitting a true flagship sedan. Industry speculation suggests dimensions that would rival or exceed the current CT6, with an extended wheelbase to maximize rear passenger space. This isn't just about size for size's sake. It's about creating the kind of commanding road presence that made the original Fleetwood unmistakable from a distance. Step inside the rumored Fleetwood Brougham, and you'd expect nothing less than Cadillac's most luxurious interior appointments. Based on current Cadillac trends and the Fleetwood's heritage, the cabin would likely feature premium leather upholstery, real wood trim, and meticulous attention to detail throughout. The rear passenger compartment would be the star of the show, potentially offering executive-class seating with massage functions, individual climate controls, and entertainment systems. Technology integration would be comprehensive yet refined, with multiple high-resolution displays for infotainment and passenger entertainment. Cadillac's Super Cruise hands-free driving technology would almost certainly be included, along with the latest safety and driver assistance features. The interior would strike a balance between cutting-edge technology and the traditional luxury that Fleetwood buyers would expect. Sound insulation would be paramount, creating a serene cabin environment that isolates passengers from the outside world. Premium audio systems, likely featuring partnerships with high-end audio brands, would provide concert hall quality sound reproduction. Based on industry speculation, the 2026 Fleetwood Brougham could feature Cadillac's potent 4.2-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, potentially producing around 550 horsepower. This power plant would be mated to a sophisticated 10-speed automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive power delivery appropriate for a luxury flagship. Performance figures would emphasize refined power, rather than outright sportiness. While acceleration would be brisk, possibly reaching 60 mph in under 5 seconds, the focus would be on effortless cruising and composed handling. Advanced suspension systems would prioritize ride comfort while maintaining stability and control. All-wheel drive would likely be standard, ensuring confident handling in various weather conditions. The performance calibration would emphasize the kind of smooth, powerful delivery that makes highway cruising feel effortless, regardless of speed or load. If Cadillac were to introduce a 2026 Fleetwood Brougham, pricing would position it as the brand's flagship sedan. Industry estimates suggest a starting price in the range of $80,000 to $90,000, potentially climbing higher with premium packages and exclusive options. This pricing would place it above the current CT5 and CT4 models, establishing it as Cadillac's luxury sedan flagship. The pricing strategy would reflect the Fleetwood's positioning as a low-volume, high-luxury offering rather than a mass-market vehicle. Options and customization would play a significant role, allowing buyers to personalize their Fleetwood to their exact specifications. Premium packages could easily push the price beyond $100,000, competing directly with other ultra-luxury sedans in the market. The potential return of the Fleetwood Brougham represents more than just another model. It would signal Cadillac's commitment to traditional luxury sedans in an SUV-dominated market. Whether these rumors materialize into reality remains to be seen, but the enthusiasm from luxury car enthusiasts suggests there's definitely appetite for a modern interpretation of this classic nameplate. What do you think about the possibility of a 2026 Fleetwood Brougham? Would you like to see Cadillac bring back this iconic name? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Car Look for more luxury car coverage and automotive insights. Hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest videos exploring the world's most exciting vehicles. Thanks for watching Car Look, and we'll see you in the next one.